In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products on Salesforce. Let's get started right from your Salesforce home screen. Make sure you're in the correct app so you see all the sales features you need. If you're not already there, switch to the Sales app. This gives you access to the standard sales objects and tabs we'll use today. Once you're into Sales, look for the Products area. Depending on your layout, it might appear directly on the navigation bar as Products, or it may be under a More dropdown. If you still don't see it, use the search bar at the top to find products. Opening the Products tab takes you to the list of items your team can quote and sell. On the Products page, create a new record by selecting the New button. This starts a simple flow for adding a product to your catalog. If your organization uses record types, you may be asked to choose one first. Otherwise, you'll go straight into the form. Now, enter the product details. Begin with a clear product name that your team and customers will recognize. If your company uses internal tracking, add a product code to keep everything consistent across systems. Set the product to active so it's available for use in query opportunities and quotes. If you're not ready for it to be used yet, you can leave it inactive and activate it later. Choose a product family if your org groups products for reporting and segmentation. It's also helpful to add a concise description that explains what the product is, when to use it, and any key variations or limits. Fill in any other required fields you see on your screen. These can vary by organization, so watch for red asterisks indicating mandatory information. Use consistent naming conventions and double-check spelling. Small errors here can make searches and reports less effective later. When you've completed the fields on this screen, move forward by clicking Next. This gives you a chance to review what you've entered and catch anything you might have missed. If something doesn't look right, you can go back and adjust before finalizing. When everything looks good, click Finish to save your new product. You should see a confirmation and land on the product record page or return to the list, depending on your setup. Take a quick look to confirm the details appear as expected and that the product shows as active if you plan to use it right away. That's it. You've added a product in Salesforce. Following this process helps keep your catalog clean, searchable, and ready for your sales team to use. Thanks for watching and happy selling.